good, YouTube? I'm done with my route, and it was raining like crazy. Now look at this crap I gotta go through. This is ridiculous, bro. This is ridiculous. So I guess just come along with the ride. I'm trying to head home. I'm done, and there's a Porsche. It's 7:30. I'm sorry, Porsche. I'm gonna have to get around here, buddy. I think this is why you need a truck. You need to get up. You gotta get up. Right now, man, I feel like a damn boat. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is crazy. Look how deep this damn thing is, man. Yo. Turn this AC off. I don't want no problems. No problems. This guy videotaping me. Sorry. Kind of hoarse. Man, this is ridiculous, man. I gotta tread this. Even the trains are going slow. Yo, this is crazy. You know, this is the second time this happened. The first time I couldn't record it. I recorded some of it, but yo, yeah, y'all seeing this right now, how it is. And I can't take I-95 because that's a stop. They didn't stand still. I don't know what happened over there. I guess it was an accident, car accident. So I'm better off taking these roads than taking I-95 because I'm not getting stuck over there and not moving. I just saw a iguana that's swimming under the water, boy. Look at this crap. Well, hey, y'all enjoy the ride with me. Yeah, I might also say this is a ride along on my way home or to the station. I'm heading to Wawa trying to get some gas on my baby. Yeah, my truck is my baby. So, yeah. All right, I'm clear. Let's go. Look at the waves. Should I take? Oh, nope, the train. Go this way. If I pass that train, I'm not staying there for that train either. That's a wait. I'll slow that train going. Taking the neighborhood. That road look deeper than the big. Heck no, I'm not going swimming. get a shout out for my boy Alex. Yeah, my boy. Who? Yeah, check him out. He's doing this thing in this YouTube channel. Started getting back at it. I'll check him out. What? This Mercedes is what? Okay. All right. What is that? Treacherous. Yo, this truck has splashed me in the water this way inside. That's crazy. Look at this dude. He's knee high, bro. This knee high water, bro. Knee high water. Yo. Let's see, bro. They got trash cans floating out in the main street. Look at this. That ain't water, nigga. Missed my turn. Oh, never mind. Nasty. I hope I-95 ain't bad, bro. All right, this is day 2 after that big storm. Oh, I'm here with my baby girl, Dudu. Hi. Yeah, we just got here. Got my keys to my truck and gonna do a little checkout and everything before we head out. Hey, all right, what's that? Check out before I head out. Okay, let me stop. So, yeah, let me just log in. Oh, first let me clock in. Yeah. All right, I got the truck pictured and scanned and everything. I'm here with the missus.
Hey, y'all. I'm tired.
She is. She just got off work and yeah, it's a lot. Whatever. You ready? But you know I gotta get going though. Okay, one more adventure in the truck. Wrong truck. That's not mine.
Truck. So weird. And another truck?
No, this is my truck.
Another truck.
See for now, we'll see how much I have today. Nah, these not beds, these racks. Put all my boxes and stuff in. So, yeah, finna get ready. And I'll let y'all meet the squad. Some of the cats, the dudes I work with, real good people, man. I wouldn't change them, man. They real cool, real good people. So I'm gonna let y'all see them, introduce themselves. Some of them got Instagrams, YouTubes, Facebooks, I don't know. Y'all follow them, check them out, give them a shout out, you know, subscribe, like them, follow, whatever it is. So yeah, get to the day.
I did
Boy Rafano stuffing his face.
that for what?
Yeah.
Oh. God, man.
Where they can find you at?
No socials.
Why, that's cap. That is cap.
Right.
Oh, see? He's
At
on
Twitter.
the grid.
At
He's
Twitter.
grid. Oh, okay. Twitter?
Yeah.
I don't got a Twitter account, so I don't know.
If you do play PS5, add me though.
Okay.
FANOX2.
I'll post that up there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And there go the next boy right here,
Trash.
Johnny. Oh my God.
Trash ass, bro.
Show him, hey,
Trash.
show him the whiskers.
Hey, man.
Bro, you so trash. Don't look at your uniform, bro. That's how trash you are, bro. That ass shirt. Hey, John, do it, John. Do it,
Alright, hey, we gonna head out right quick. Hold on. Miami right now, they got a nice fresh cut. Yeah.
Hey, messed me up yesterday, that rain, man.
Man, you, man.
I ain't got my shoes, I got shirt is dirty, I'm like,
Man.
24K golden chain on your neck. That been looking good for real, bro.
and then bro, I put every total, I was like,
Bro, fam.
What uniform at, bro?
Hey, y'all boy. I ain't gonna do it, bro. Hey, trashy, bro. Johnny, do it, Johnny. Do this, Johnny. Trashy. Trashy, yo. Put your hands up. Bro, everything.
The lady said, came out, are you okay? I was like, so on the door rim, I'm like, yeah, I'm straight.
Just waiting. Just waiting. All right, getting ready. Yeah, getting ready. Get my stuff from the. Oh, time to go. Okay. And that's how you pack it up. I'm gonna show you a clip of my old job where we had to go through. I like this facility better because it's covered. Man, I'll let y'all see that. Boy, it's hot. All right, I'm in my first stop and man, I gotta deal with, man. Yep. I gotta get this done before 7:30 or sooner. All right. So I'm at my first stop. Finna clear this out. So I'm over here thinking it's gonna be good, but the sky said otherwise. Look at that, man. Are you freaking serious? All right. Well, gotta keep going. Yo, take a look at this tank. This look cool. Oh man, yo, I gotta grab me a quick snack. You know, I didn't eat nothing for breakfast, so I'm at that Dollar Tree, right? Dollar Tree. So I gotta get me something here for the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree coming in clutch. Give me something to eat and drink. Enough drink. Some of these quickers. Gotta get these, bruh. Yep, I had to get my Dollar Tree snack on the road. What that cartoon say? A snacky from a packy. All right, let's go. For y'all who looking for a Camaro, it's pretty clean. I don't know. No, it's a Firebird. My bad. Firebird. It's a Firebird. Pretty clean. Okay, I'll take that back. Trans Am. Just a number to look at. It's clean, man. Rag top. OG wheels. It is a Firebird. I guess they call it a Trans Am. These used to be monsters back in the days, man. This thing look right. Nice. Ah, right. My luck, right? My luck. I was doing my best trying to avoid this right here, man. That's gonna slow me down. But hey, I'm Amazon. This is the job I gotta do, and I'm gonna deliver. So that being said, since it's raining, I gotta come off my shoes and yeah, your boy going barefoot. Man, all right, gotta keep going. This is one of the stuff that, you know, you look forward to when you delivering. You know, customers appreciating you for all your things you do. Yesterday, I delivered a package to this house and it was raining, bro. What I mean, I was wet all over. I was wet all over, bro. Barefooted and everything. I came to the door. They saw me on the Ring camera and they're like, you know, they kind of felt bad. You know, she opened the door. I'm so sorry you had to go through this, man. And I came back to her today. It so happened that she had an order or whatever. And she had a kid to come give me her, you know, a little goodie bag for Amazon. You know, I got a little snacks and water and Go-Gurt. Man, you gotta love this, man. Alright, I'm finally done. I'm going home. I'm going home to my babies. I'm going home to my baby, my wife, my cat, my turtle. Yeah, man. Oh, finally done, dude. Finally, yo. This is route. You felt like it would take forever.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Back for another day. This is my Friday. It's a Saturday. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go to the job site. I gotta fix my little girl her tea. What? All right, I'll make it. So this is the reason why I'm making tea for her now.
Daddy,
Yes.
look.
Morning, babe.
Good morning.
She's still tired. She just got off work not too long ago. My poor baby. But I know she's happy. Today's my Friday, so my last day of working. Amen. So yeah.
What's the cap for the coffee thing?
Oh boy. Hold on.
In my coat.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me do your tea.
That thing's still in there.
All right. I'm back. Wow.
In the truck. Finna get ready to go to the warehouse to pick up the bags and yeah. Alright, all loaded up. Head to this road. Alright, enjoy. you see the price of these things? Crazy. Check out the sushi. Ooh, what is this? Calamari salad. I'm a big seafood fan, man. I don't know. I think I'm gonna eat this as a snack. I think I'm gonna eat this as a snack. Yeah. Man. Hey! You saw how much the price is?
No, I
Look.
Wow, what's this?
Uh-huh. Yeah, exactly. See, she shocked away. Look.
Vegetarian fed, no added hormones or steroids. That's a plus. All natural for that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they fresh?
Yeah, they're fresh. They're good. Gonna cook those suckers up. I came here for the ribs. The ribs look good. I'm gonna get one. Yeah. You hear this? See that? She want to share with me. I'll share with her.
But
We both big ribs.
no, before I used to thought that was so nasty. You pick up like that. I'm like,
Yeah, she did.
but then I tried. I was like, what? Okay, I get some.
All right, let's keep
Alright, let's
looking.
look
Let's go. Go ahead. Humongous grapes. I don't know. That's how much it is.
That's a good price. I'm gonna get one. They big too.
Yo, this is banging. These two don't know anything about this.
It stink.
You want some, Dodo? No?
Mm-mm.